How to withdraw money from Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw from Robinhood or how you can withdraw money from Robinhood. Now, the process actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application. You look at an interface somewhat like this. You want to go through the verification process. Now here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see a profile option, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here under menu you'll find the option that says transfers. So you'll get the investing and transfers options and statements and history. In my case, I don't have my bank account linked, so my account isn't verified, so I'm not getting the option, but you'll get the transfer options right here on the screen. And once you tap on transfer there, you'll have to select transfer to bank and select the amount, and you're good to go. So this way you can withdraw money from Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.